In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change thermostat on water heater. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change the thermostat on your water heater. This will allow you to change the temperature with ease and replace an old broken one. So in order to do this change, all that you have to do is acquire a new model that you want to use. Ideally, grab an identical model to the one you have, and it is something that you will be able to do it yourself. First, turn off the power. This is critical. Go to your home's electrical panel and switch off the circuit that controls the power for the breaker of the water heater. So make sure that you turn it off accordingly before starting. To double check that the power is off, you can use a voltage tester. Be cautious, water and electricity are a dangerous combination, so ensure that everything is dry and of course powered off. Usually you will need screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead, voltage tester, a new thermostat matching the old one's model, and possibly needle nose pliers. First, access the thermostat. So remove the access panel on the side of the water heater. You will likely find insulation covering the thermostat, so carefully move it aside, and you will see the wires and the thermostat itself. The very first thing that you should do before you disconnect them is to make a record of the wiring configuration. So note down which colored wire is going where. This will make it easier for later, so you can either take a picture or note it down, however you prefer. Once you are aware of all of the different wires and the configuration, carefully disconnect the wires from the thermostat terminals. So you can undo these screws here. Be sure that the wires are not damaged and then remove. Now, after you are done removing the wires and the screws, you will be able to remove the old thermostat itself. The thermostat will be held in place by a clip or bracket, so gently remove it. To install the new one, you will grab it and place it in the same position as the old one, ensuring that it is firmly seated and pressed against the wall. Afterwards, you just have to reattach the wires in the same configuration. So this is why you used that picture before. So you place them again in the same configuration, and as long as they are replaced like this with the new thermostat model, you will be able to put the insulation back in place, reattach the access panel, and restore power. Allow some time for the water to heat up and then check the temperature. I hope I was able to help you on how to change thermostat on water heater. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.